Alright, we should be starting. Let the game load. It says it's loading. There it goes. Okay. Okay. Alright, so today I'm either making a rope or I am refactoring code. That's kind of ugly. It's kind of ugly, dude. I don't like it. I think I need to speed it up or do something. Maybe make it a little bit higher. I literally spent all of my last stream like working on the mantle script. But the problem with making it higher, frig, is that he starts mantling this. Okay, how about we make it a little bit faster? Maybe that'll help with like what's going on. Like I just don't like the way it looks. 1.2. Maybe making the mantle distance will make it better. Literally, I've been playing with this since yesterday. Okay. Solid objects works really well. Maybe I get... Ooh, you know what? Let's give him a little bit of a jump. Edit script. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Maybe if I give him a little bit of a jump, it'll on jump. Let's look for the jump script. Here it is. Rigid body velocity equal new velocity jump force. Let's go ahead and take this. We'll reference the jump force dot jump force movement dot jump force. Move script dot jump force. Let's see. No, not quite right. This isn't gonna do anything. Yeah, this does act weird. I don't really have a choice, man. I just don't like it. I just don't know. I'm like, I do it over and over again because I feel like there might be a way to fix it. Okay. I don't think that adding this helps. So let's delete that. But maybe this will get rid of some stuff. I actually don't think that this is going to help either. I think this is actually going to hurt more than it is going to help. What this is doing is it's making the player stop moving. See? Then this is the move towards. Where's the transform position? Move towards, transform position, mantle target, mantle speed. Yeah, maybe I just need to increase the mantle speed a little bit more. Where's the speed? Here we go. The problem is that with these boxes, that looks okay. See? Certain objects, he's not going to be able to climb them. It's going to just be awkward. I mean, just make objects he can climb, I guess. How about this? Let's take this square that I'm having trouble with. Let's just increase its mass. Why can't I get this square? Sorry, hang on. Here we go. Ooh. The mass is gonna make him. What do you call it? That situation where the animation gets stuck, that's the thing I want to fix the most. Okay, so I'm trying to get back into that state because for me, oh, that was a big oops. Hang on. That is a part of the grabbing script or pickup script. He doesn't do that whenever he... Yeah, he stays a perfectly good distance away. Yeah, good. Okay, so I need to do the same thing for his pickup. Pickup script, edit script. So let's look at the... Okay, mantle is one thing. I think I have like a general fix for that. Let's edit the script too. So let's look at the grab script and see how it keeps him away. So it's the joint that keeps him away. Maybe I need to make a joint between my pickup. Let's get the pickup. So move object with grab point. So let's say there's an object of indiscriminate size. I have my center of mass. I have this distance I know, and then the distance from the center or connecting point of this. So this is x. This is my arm length. So this arm length I can set statically. This is a variable that is set by getting this width. So if this is my width, x is equal to w divided by 2. And then my distance would be equal to my arm length plus my x, which is w divided by 2. Okay. So grabbed object, move position, hold, point equals dot position. Oh. Hold position plus plus vector 2 dot right. Excuse me. Times math f dot sign of my transform dot position position dot x. I'm gonna do 0.1 f times vector right. What is this? What's wrong with this? Operator blank is ambiguous for vector 3 to vector 2. Bummer. Vector 3 forward. Let's try that. This isn't gonna work because I'm in 2D. I got an error. This. I see. I need a third parentheses. There you go. Oh, my music. Where's my jazz? There we go. Sorry. Yeah, that's better. Turn it down a little bit. Okay. Game object transform position is equal to move the object with grab point. I think I need to make this more like this. Okay, calculate the direction from the arm bone to the object. Direction is target.position minus the arm bone.position. This gives me the vector 2 from my arm bone to the target. The facing multiplier. Yep. is facing right. It's kind of dumb. So this is game object transform equal scales x is greater than or equal to 0. If yes, then you do 1. If no, you do -1. Wow, this is kind of dumb. This doesn't need to be 2 variables. It's kind of dumb. Angle gets the facing multiplier. And then you rotate the arm bones to the angle. And then you rotate, so this is for the arm. This is for grabbing and releasing. So when you grab, hold on. Try grab object. Where's try grab object? Here's try grab. If you grab, you get the object's rigid body. You record the object's gravity scale. You grab the object. The grabbed object gravity scale goes to 1. The layer state goes to grabbed object layer state. Does it create a joint? This is the thing that's important. So that you've created a joint. This is the thing that grabbed object's closest point. So here's the joint creation script. So maybe I need to make the pick a joint. Yeah, this is where I cancel all that stuff. Maybe I can just create a joint. It's just gonna be a pain in the ass to refactor all of this. Okay, let's see. I got a text message. Can't do that, unfortunately. Oh shit. I don't know what this is gonna do. Okay, so let me predict. I think I can pick it up correctly facing one direction. As soon as I try to turn around, it's gonna mess it up. Whoa. Interesting. Interesting. So I've got the joint. Whoa. What's going on? Still got the joint. 1 second. So when I let go of the joint, destroy the joint. There we go. Okay. What is it doing? Even worse, actually. Okay. Maybe I should. Maybe I should move it up in a way. The grabbed point as a factor of the object's transform. Let's look into that to see what that looks like. So, excuse me. As a factor of its scale? Excuse me. Sorry. Okay. Because it might be. So see this, and then copy this, and do another one. So I could do this again. But for the Y, 2F grab transform local scale dot Y, and then we'll say up, up, and then we don't need this. Do need that. Try this. So what this is going to do is it's going to look at the local scale of the object and move it forward and up based on the scale. Okay. Maybe I should freeze the Z. Let's go ahead and write this off. Because it's moving my body. I think I have the joint. So what was that other gizmo that it's drawn? Um, let's make a joint 2D, a fixed joint, a hinge joint, a fixed joint called joint. We're gonna come down here, and then we make a fixed joint. Joint 2D. 2D. Then we come down here. Yeah. I don't know all the different. I don't know all the different joints, so just test them out, I guess. Errors. Try with the joints. Shoot. I don't know what a hinge joint does. Have to find out. I do think spring joint is the best. But the problem that it's having okay, so this is back before I created the joint. Let's go ahead and my layer states mask. I grabbable layers. Okay, so I'm not going to send it to the grabbed layer. Okay, so in that case, let's go ahead and set my grab spot, or my latching spot. Um, ah, I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, because it's wanting to move the box into that spot. Hmm. This is one of those things where like I want the joint to be here. Up, 40 minutes. Got my joint. Okay, so this is one of those things where I need it to turn around with him. Sorry. Okay, so that sets the parent and then turns the parent off. Motherfucker went flying. Shoot. No, it's not working properly. This didn't work either. That's the problem. That's one of the problems. Okay. So fixing the gravity seal is going to help this. So on release, this is one of the issues. So I need to introduce OBJ gravity scale, which is going to be a public float or private float. Private float OBJ gravity scale. Don't really care here. It's when I grab it, try grab. If I successfully grab the object, I'm gonna come here and do. Yeah, that's fine. Shoot. Don't need that. OBJ.gravity scale is equal to grabbed, grabbed object dot gravity scale, set that. Then I come back over here whenever I release the object. Gravity scale is equal to obj dot gravity scale. There you go. Okay, so this is gonna help with that. Also, I'm gonna unlock the z coordinate and I'm gonna jump up the gravity a bit. So this should help with it, like, I can pick it up, climb up onto it, smooth this a little bit, jump up, come on. Let's bump up the gravity even more. Even more. Why is it acting so weird? This might be one of those, the interpolation's off. I haven't quite learned what this is. Okay. I need to make sure that I'm not grabbing anything. Whenever I pick up something, I need to make sure I can't grab. But that's probably gonna have to wait until next time. Crap. Damn, man. Oopsie. Just open Discord. My bad. Close that. So I think yeah, I think a joint would be really good here. This is currently the only thing that I have. So grabbed objects transform.position.x as it's as the distance becomes what is this? As my position, as my grabbed object's position So as the vector, becomes less than or equal to this, game position new vector equals game object dot transform x minus f. Let's actually use move towards. Where's the move towards? Yeah, move position. Can I actually rewrite this? Ooh, I can apply a force in the opposite x direction. Shoot, I'm out of time. Hold on. Debug.log. Too close. Okay, let's see. Don't know what that all was. Let's see what happens. Okay. Let's do 10F. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna be a good force. Let's try this. Okay. This is gonna come along with refactoring this. I might have to just take a day off from streaming to refactor. Clean things up. Get it working properly. I see. this is obviously catered towards this very specific object, I need to make it so that these objects can be modified on their own, and they can decide these things. This is much better, obviously, for this object. The mantling looks better, especially with the heavier objects. Okay. Okay, whatever. Jeez. Okay, getting off for now. Lots of just standard work, just polishing. I hope you guys have a good evening. I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.